The question of the day is when people are going to wake up. Make we start it properly. Good morning, my viewers. Good morning, my supporters. Hoping that you all having a blessed day wherever you are in the world. Big up on yourself. It's just been known to my knowledge, bro. Them find 7 billion barrel of oil at Jamaica. Billion with a B. Nobody not talk about that because there's no clout around it, no hype, no stigma. Everybody really worry about cartel and who they with who and who a bash up on the internet and all kind of irrelevant stuff. This is not me saying Vibes Cartel freedom is irrelevant. Big up yourself, world boss. The man, them a boss. Back to the topic. Nobody not talk about it. This would be a crazy game changer for Jamaica right now, you know. This could have actually lift the country out of poverty. But wait a go. All of that oil lift up out of the ground and a throw in a man's pocket and nobody at all talk about that. You know interested? 7 billion worth of oil. Higher than with GDP, brother. This is what you call game changer and nobody gives a shit because no hype no around it. So what the politicians them do to me, my mind, again, me no want a man come tell me nothing. What them do to me is just throw something away to keep you distracted. And remember now, you know, I am not talking about a specific party because the whole of them are the same thing. You see me? Them give with things to distract with. To make we not focus on what is important and it'll catch everybody basically. Why nobody not talk about it, brother? Isle. Remember Middle East was just desert. There was nothing there. Dubai and them place and nothing more than little sun. And a Isle. Word of the day, Isle. A Isle make Dubai be what it is today. One of the richest known place to man. Everything luxury, and that's how you find it. You see me? And tiny little Jamaica, that amount of Isle. That equivalent to how much in football field, brother. Amount of Isle. You know, company news, you know, coming to the media. None of the politicians them step out and say, we have found oil today. This are going to uplift poor people. No. You know why? Don't get them pocket that I go. Generational wealth for them. When something like this should have put together and talk about and see how well them could have utilized this to benefit the people of the country. Them no business one clout about that. And now that it's spill, me really go look now and see if the Jamaican people them are go actually stand up. If I even want to look some kind of standing up and defend this. Matter of fact, you know, I'm going to keep quiet and I just go wait. Make me so go on. You have a nice day.